Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your War Chef at wareva.com. Today I'm just going to show you how to make liver fry. There are so many people who just cannot like chicken liver. For them, this is the recipe that will make them fall in love with the chicken liver. So here, I just cut the chicken liver into small pieces. There are kind of veins and all that. You remove them and make sure you clean them thoroughly. We're going to coat this with flour mixture. First, I'm going to take some finely chopped ginger, garlic, pepper powder, crushed pepper, add some Indian spices like cumin powder, coriander powder, and also a little bit of garam masala. My usual spices. Mix with the liver, keep this aside. And if you want, you can add a little bit of mixed herbs. The same herbs, very little. This is what is going to flavor it. You can also add this to the flour. This mixture is all ready. Now, take a bowl, add a little bit of corn flour, all-purpose flour. To this, we're going to also add breadcrumb and mix herb if you want. We'll add salt into this little bit and also some salt on top of liver. If you want, you can also sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice on this and mix it. Now we are going to fry this liver in a hot oil. And if you want, you can add a little bit of egg to this, but otherwise also it will coat well. Mix this flour and both the breadcrumbs, flour and salt and herbs and mix all of this, and now we're going to fry. A little bit of lemon juice, this flour mixture, the crumb mixture, we're going to add a little bit of this, but still this has to be wet. By adding a little bit of flour and a little bit of water, we're going to make this into kind of a nice thin coating, which again we're going to dip in this and fry. For this, I'm going to take a plate, take each piece and coat it well in the flour. Like this. Similarly, more liver, coat it with this flour and put it on the plate, and later we're going to fry it. Chicken liver is never this tasty. Just make sure, fry them till they are nice and golden. Oh, be careful. I just want to make sure that these liver pieces come out nice and crispy, and of course the breadcrumb and the flour coating will make it happen. Perfect. Sometimes this liver may splutter a little bit. So stay away from it and let it fry well. So dear friends, we're going to fry this liver till this is nice and golden and enjoy it with drinks or anything, or just like any other snack. How we enjoy chicken nuggets, consider this like liver nuggets. And these liver perfectly fried, the mixed herbs is there, the liver becomes very, very aromatic and tasty. Chicken liver can be made this tasty. Nice, crunchy on the outside. Wow. When you make it right, the chicken liver melts like butter in your mouth and super tasty. Dear friends, keep cooking, enjoy life and keep saying wareva.